Hi, I am Thomas Edison. I was born in Milan, Ohio in 1847 and died in October 1931. I was an American inventor and invented 1,000 devices. One of them was the electric light bulb. I was a curious kid with lots of questions and my teacher didn't like that, so I was expelled after studying only 3 months in school. My beloved mother Nancy was a school teacher and had a belief in me, so she was my tutor at home. She taught me in a nice way that I enjoyed studying, which influenced my whole life. I had a fever when I was young and an ear infection, which as some point of view says that these were the two reasons that left me with their difficulties and being partially deaf. I started selling newspapers in Grand Trunk train stations when I was 12 years old. That led me to publish my first own newspaper, which called Grand Trunk Herald.
He did the chemical experiments in small lab that he sat in a train baggage car when one day the fire spread and the conductor hit his head aside, which increased his ears problem.
The idea of inventing electric light bulbs started one night when my mother needed a surgery. But it was too dark to do it because we used candles at home those days and I felt sorry for her.
In those days the invention of the electrical light bulb was by other inventor and he failed to glow it for a long time, but there were gas light bulb that has been used in streets, not homes. In 1806 Humphrey Davy, an Englishman, was the first one to demonstrated the electric lamp to the Royal Soyers, which was called arc lamp. Since then no one before Edison was succeed in making it glow continuously. Almost the life is dead after the sunset, where all activities were done indoors.
I was thinking about the hypothesis of what if there is way to glow the electrical light bulb continuously. And this led me to other questions, which was what other material of threads filament I can use. I started formulating the hypothesis that answer my question, then check if it worked. I would share it with others and suggest new research question. And if not, I would reset new hypothesis. I did 99 succeed experiments, and the last one I used the cotton thread filament as material to let the electricity run through it to light up the bulb, and this led to burnt to be carbon. This gave me an idea to try the carbon thread filament. That test took me the whole night, where I was sleeping on the table in my laboratory. And finally the invention happened and the electricity light bulb was glowing the whole night and for 40 hours. That was in 1879.
After that he worked on replacing the gas supplying system with electricity system. In 1880 he repeated the test and succeeded to make the light bulb glow for 1,200 hours, and since then he built the whole electricity system so his discovery will spread everywhere. This was absolutely accepted by the whole world, and since then everything was changed. Many inventors worked on developing this invention, such as people workday was changed, and they tend to have electrical machines due to the network of generators and wires that Edison established. Where they owned radio, TV, refrigerator, telephones, sewing machine and iron. This theory and experiments lead to bright and light up human life with non-expensive price and made people do outdoor activities even after sunset. Here is the inventors with the years that of developing Edison invention. Some of Edison quotes.
These are the references that I used. I wish you enjoyed the story and thank you for watching.